With the aim of defending the interests and promoting the participation of the associative business and social system of the Valencian region, the Valencian regional government has created the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe, example of private-public partnership defending the Valencian interests in Brussels. It is the goal of the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe to help agents of the Valencian society to participate in the opportunities that Europe provides to the regions. Since its creation in November 2003, it has played an important role as negotiator between the Valencian society and the European Union. There is a direct contact between the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe and all Valencian economic sectors, the business world and the traditional industry of the Valencian region. Indeed, the Foundation keeps those informed on the European reality that might affect them. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe also wishes to promote a better understanding of the policies and programs developed by the European institutions. The initiatives of the European Union that directly affect the Valencian region are closely followed at the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe, who maintains a direct contact with the EU bodies responsible for these initiatives. This work has allowed the Valencian version of the European Constitution to become one of the official versions used by the Council of the European Union. The work has also led to the creation of the Natural Effects Region Network in order to defend the granting of transition funds to our region for the period 2007-2013. Another strategic action has been the management of the network of regions who suffer water shortage so as to defend the interests of the Valencian region in the European water policies. Furthermore, our commitment for the promotion of competitiveness and innovation in the Valencian region has made us the only Spanish region that is a member of the Lisbon Regions Network. This network's objective is to promote a sustainable economic growth that is based on innovation and that improves the competitiveness, leading to societies with full employment. The European Commission has awarded this effort by offering to Valencia the privilege to host the 2006 Innov Conference. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe is an instrument created by the Valencian regional government in order to facilitate the transition of the Valencian region from Objective 1 to the Competitiveness Objective. In order to achieve this goal, it has developed a methodology based on creating public-private partnerships that participate in European projects on innovation training, technology transference, information society, or renewable energies. In this view, it has created the European Projects Network. This should stimulate the civil society to participate in the region of international consortia, which bring funds and innovation to the Valencian region. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe has a profound commitment with environmental and social policies. Thanks to this commitment, the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe has participated with a stand to the last edition of the Green Week organised by the European Commission. EU Environment Commissioner Mr. Stavros Dimas showed interest for the displayed Valencian projects. On a social level, the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe has promoted the training of young people, the integration of immigrants and women in the workforce, and it has put effort in programs aimed at stopping gender violence. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe supports the training of young people from Valencia and from other European regions on European matters through a program of exchange. Therefore, it has reinforced its training program and work orientation. This initiative facilitates professional internships in the Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe has an official website which is daily updated. On this free access webpage, organisations from other countries can find information on how to develop European projects with Valencian partners. It also provides information on a regular basis through mailing lists. Through this webpage, you can also find information on European projects being currently prepared for, where partners are needed, as well as good practices of other regions or ideas for new projects. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe guides the organizations of other countries to find Valencian partners in order to present projects in the calls for proposals of the European Union. It searches for international partners and it facilitates the creation of European consortia by keeping the Valencian agents informed on the community programs. It also acts as an international dissemination partner for projects through international dissemination activities. The Fundación Comunidad Valenciana-Europe has become a model of regional strategy of private-public partnership in order to link the Valencian region and the European Union.